Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. We have some questions for Lantos and his answers. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one, when we are creating with the flying seed in front of us, is it sufficient to just use the song, or is it better to place a wheel on the flying seed while we use the Song of the Spheres? So remember, before we were using the Song of the Spheres to enliven the 81 seeds, we had the flying seed tool. But in order to enliven your inception seed, for example, you positioned the primary wheel relevant to that inception seed on the flying seed tool, on the seed, the location of the seed, and then you created using the seed phrase. But you don't have to do that with the Song of the Spheres. So the question is, if we're going to use the flying seed tool in front of us while we use the song, is it still better to place the wheel on the flying seed? Lantos said, the song enlivens all spheres. All spheres are illumined in the presence of the song. Spinning the song together with the beloved great cosmic map offers supreme illumination of all layers, all realms, all expressions of creation. Our beloved flying seed tool offers a map. The direction, the goal, is illumined. The beacon is ignited. The seeker easily locates the desired destination with the presence of the great flying seed tool. Our beloved song offers the way. Direction is established through intent. One issues the intent. The intent is enlivened in the phrases of the seed. Within these few words, the course is established. The song contains all. The song contains the source and the course, and through the process of initiating the way, holy vision is attained. So we can see, once again, the tremendous value and benefit to both of these tools, the flying seed tool as well as to the Song of the Spheres. The song is certainly a lot easier to carry with you. You can take it to work. You can't really take the flying seed tool with you to work. You can travel with the song. Much harder to do that with the flying seed. But we can see from this answer the tremendous value of both of these tools. And in fact, Cindy asked Lantos a follow-up question, asking him if we are going to be using the Song of the Spheres to enliven the seeds, what is the benefit to having the flying seed tool in front of us? Lantos said, one may be in the presence of a singular great master, but one is more fortunate to be in the presence of two great masters. Each master possesses the knowledge, the path to achieve fullness. Each embodies fullness, complete fullness. To be in the presence of two great masters is indeed the greatest blessing life may offer. So again, for those of you who have the flying seed and the song, do your daily enlivenment of the seeds, morning and evening, using the song, but have the flying seed tool in front of you. Have it activated for this process. It's a tremendous benefit for you. Then Cindy asked, how would one use the Song of the Spheres in a treatment? I asked Cindy about this because Lantos has repeatedly said that the song holds the influence of all of the wheels. So what if you are going to do a biogenesis treatment on somebody and you need to use wheels? Do you just place the Song of the Spheres on the person? Cindy gave the example to Lantos of treating for parasites, where we would normally use the full rays transformation wheel of Genesis, followed by the full rays regeneration wheel of Genesis. How would we use the Song of the Spheres for this? And here is what Lantos said. All spheres of creation are contained within the song. But this does not mean that we should abandon the use of the precious tools which also contain the blessed energies of the great cosmic spheres. We are blessed to live in this precious opening of the new eon. In this time of opening, we go from suffering to supreme fulfillment. If one has grown one's own food in the remote regions and one travels to the city, one may be astonished to find the vast array of possibilities on the buffet. One may think to oneself, why do I need the carrots when I have the yams? The arrival of this new eon brings with it the great opening of all possibilities for all in creation. We must enjoy the full range of possibilities. Such a great dilemma. Do I achieve fullness through this path or that path? Do I enliven fullness with this great master tool or that one? When for thousands, many thousands of years, the path has been sought. The way has been obscured in darkness, and the beloved seekers have struggled to glimpse the rays of light. As the sun begins to shine in full, let us enjoy every ray of warmth, every wave of fullness that comes. Waves of fullness are arriving for all to enjoy. Then, I asked Cindy to ask Lantos about our Sunday practice of returning to the source, where we enliven all 81 seeds, starting with seed 81 and going all the way to the source, the first seed. And Cindy asked Lantos if there was anything he wanted to say about that. He said, we say to all who are most blessed to be receiving these beautiful gifts of fullness, we say, well done, well done. Your actions, your life, your path has entitled you to be among the very first. You are among the few to receive the direct instructions, the direct teachings of our beloved Master Teacher Tot, who brings to us this new eon for all to enjoy. Very good. Very good. Many blessings. Now, Cindy later asked Lantos another question about doing this, about using the song. And this was actually for someone who she has been invited by the government of Egypt to spend the night within the Great Pyramid of Giza. And she wanted instruction on, is there anything she should do with the Song of the Spheres while she's in there? And Lantos actually told her to do this technique, the return to the source technique, starting at seed 81, going down to seed 1. And at the end of that, he said, this process will enliven the realms of matter of creation and will generate a procession of great cosmic forces leading to the source. It is very good. So I thought you would enjoy that message from Lantos talking about our Sunday return to the source technique. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great rest of your week. I'll talk to you in a few days.